everyone, I'm an executive at Innocation1 and today we're going to be covering one of the most important subjects in today's society. If you've run a business, go to university or do anything, you have to deal with it. Mental health and well-being. We're going to hear from influential heads of organisations and those who really know what they're doing to get a glimpse of how they keep the world spinning. Without further ado, let's hear from the head of Morgellons Group.
Hi, I'm BusinessNat and I'm a patron of the Morgellons Group, who manufacture air purifiers that can turn urine into water. I'm here today because I know what kind of effect mental health and well-being can have on people. We have a dedicated office and helpline that anyone can call to receive guidance on what to do and how to keep going. Our CFO has a programme to send pens to all staff routinely, every couple of days, and that is a real help in keeping morale high and our profits even higher. Our office also every few hours has a pen gift event. All the employees buy pens for each other. It is mandatory. Staff do spend upwards of 30k a year on it. Yes, staff have had to eat into their ices to do this, and I'm not going to sit here and tell you that a few people haven't emptied their pallet pens for this, but it's important.
I'm the ultimate cat man. They gave birth to me in the baker shop. I'm a baker shop man. How are you all doing, man? Need anything? I believe in you.
The first 20 years Morgellons was in operation, we had ambulance on site at all times. We had several attempted murders. We had our first person call in sick, all because everyone was so sad. But now we give the pens, we've got nothing. From hundreds of incidents a week to hundreds of new clients a minute, not an incident in sight. When Morgellons Group hurts, I hurt. So it's so important to me that everyone has good mental health, and that's why it's so important that no matter the financial cost to our staff, they have new pens in their pockets every hour.
Thanks BusinessNat, great stuff. Morgellons is now the #1 company in the world with a market cap of 600 trillion. Next, we'll hear from the good doctor at McTapp Charity Hospitals, who's found a way to cure mental derangement with medicine.
Hello, I'm Dr. Comfort, and I'm a senior surgeon at McTapp Charity Hospitals. We've been making breakthrough after breakthrough, from new statistic-based performance systems to putting medicine in little pills you can ingest, neither of which have been done before. We treat 60,000 patients a month, and all that stress is not good for our employees on the ground. We've been running tests, and we can actually distill 700 pens into a liquid that can be ingested. This immediately kills stress. And I'm happy to say, not a single member of staff in the hospital has been upset or anxious this entire calendar year. This new medicine is going through its first round of tests on humans for the general public, and will probably be available by the end of the year. We also have a booth available 24/7 to staff and patients where they can look at a picture of McTapp for up to an hour. We are a healthy and happy hospital.
Does this guy know what he's doing or what? Networking! Next, we're going to hear from Business Wallace, the person who runs the biggest studio in the world ever since the previous biggest studio shut down.
I'm Business Wallace. I'm very happy to be here. Most people think I care about filming and quality, what we do, but I really don't. I care about the mental health and well-being of our staff. In the third financial quarter of 2023, we spent just over £500,000 on pens and our staff, and the improvement in morale and reduction in mental derangement is immense. So our policy requires that all staff are given 3 COVID vaccines at the beginning of every working day. They go into work, and since this policy came about, we got a little bit of pushback, but we went through with it anyway, and I'm so glad that we did, because the mental health test scores have really shot up. For someone like me, who's dead in prison, seeing the things improve really means a lot. What would I give to the world as advice? I think I'd probably tell the younger generation to start getting flu shots earlier. Buy pens for your friends every day.
Well, we've had ups and downs, but I think if you've got this far, you are ready to treat mental health in a hospital. I've got to go back to my extremely rich office now, but the next time I see you, I hope to see you with a pen in your hand, changing the world. Okay, you can. Hi everyone, it's just me again. I'm an executive at Innocation1, and I would just Brands, what do I need to do to get a cease and desist letter from you? Is there any specific things that you don't like people doing? You know, I just want to know for fun, and also so we don't infringe on those things and we don't get a cease and desist letter. I would be really ashamed if I had a cease and desist letter to put here in a frame for the background of my streams. So what do I need to do that, just so I know for the future, so I don't get a cease and desist letter?